What's up, you guys? It's RJ and welcome back to my channel. So we're here today to check out some more of Red Velvet's members, like subunit slash solos. Last time we checked out Monster, Hello, and Like Water from all the members except Yeri, which I'm glad she's in this today. Thank you guys for actually telling me that she did have a song. So we are going to check out Dear Diary. We're going to check out Naughty from Irene and Seulgi, and then we're also going to check out Wendy's song When the Rain Stops. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. So I should probably brace myself, I think, but you never know. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. What? Okay. 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 All right. All right. I'm nervous. My God, this dress. Irene, right? I'm nervous. Ooh. Wow, they look like twins. Yin and yang. Oh. I don't know why I have like fashion show runway vibes. Wow. How? Oh, that's so sick. Yo, how do they do this? That is a lot of work on you, just using your hands, like. How do you remember that? Hey. This video said episode 1. What does that mean? Oh, episode 2. Wait, what is that? Wait, there's a third one? All right, somebody explain. So I want to watch the choreography video for that. I really like that song. I was really fascinated by the choreography though, that it was a lot of like intricate hand movements to like do and memorize and get it right, because the symmetry has to be there. The synchronization has to be there for it all to look perfect. That's a lot of work. I mean, I feel like that almost might be harder than moving your actual like body, you know? Wow. Okay. Yeah, I want to check this out. Let's go. Like, it's a lot of images you have to make with your body. So everything has to be precise. Like, how do you make like 90-degree angles? Is that a window to the outside world? Oh, this is so cool. How did they do that? You know, this chorus just has like a dance effect. Like, what the hell? See? See, I can do that. Oh, so cool. Oh. Where'd they come from? So isn't that like next level thing? Not next level, but I mean, you know what I'm talking about, because they do that in next level. Isn't that called like tutting? Like, isn't like when they're doing that with their hands? I don't know. I'm not a dancer, but if someone out there knows, please let me know. Okay, let's move on to Yeri's Dear Diary. I always forget this is not the music video. I love a piano.
이제서야 뒤돌아 인사하네. 그래 내가 많이 늦었지. 결국 이렇게 불쑥여고 찾아와서 우린 만나고 있잖아. 그저 그대로 빛이 나길 바래. 그저 그렇게 웃고 있는 널 그려. 바라는 건 참 많고 많지만 그래도 가끔 그늘에 가려 애석한 내 마음은 어쩔 수가 없어요. 꾸며지지 않아도 돼. 불안하지 않아도 돼. 잠시 멈춰서도 괜찮다고. 언제나 곁에 그렇게 있을 거라고. 오늘도
Oh, she has such a pretty voice. And I love the harmonizing in the back.
꿈도 기억나지 않을 잠이 들길. 힘들이지 않고 편히 눈을 감길. 그리는 건 참 많고 많지만
It's a very interesting music video.
이 모습도 나라는 걸 알아요. 꾸며지지 않아도 돼. 불안하지 않아도 돼. 도닥임이 떠밀림이 아니길. 언제나 곁에 그렇게 있을 거라고. 오늘도 난 나의 스물에게 속삭이고 있어. 오로지 나 그저
Very cute.
나의 생각들로 가득 찬 편한 밤이 되길. 이 불안을 어디에 둬야 할지. 얼만큼 덜어내야 할지. 이미 지나간 시간에 만약이라는 건 없는 걸 알지만 언제나 오직 너에게 귀 기울인다고. 오늘도 난 나의 스물에게 속삭이고 있어. 나나나 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 너에게.
Oh, I like the ending. I really liked that. That was very like relaxing. That was like the kind of music that you listen to on like a Sunday. I don't know, midday. Maybe it's like a slight drizzle outside or something like that. And, you know, it just has that kind of vibe, that like coffee house kind of vibe where you just kind of sit back and chill, listen. I wish the video had lyrics. I'm not really sure what it was about, but I did see there was like something in one of the papers about love yourself first. And then I noticed in the MV there were like different versions of her in different spaces of those rooms, maybe at different points in her life. Maybe it's like a reflection song of, you know, how she feels about her life and where she is and whatnot. I'm gonna guess on that. I'll go back and read the lyrics on my own time, obviously. But yeah, all right, let's move on to When the Rain Stops from Wendy live video. I did not realize that. Are there captions in this one though? There are, yay. Okay, let's go. Piano. It's like they know the weight in my heart. This is gonna be nice.
혼자인 것만 같은 날들이 참 많기도 해. 다 안다고 생각했던 것들이 낯설어지기도 하고. 이어도 어둠 속이 익숙해질 때쯤 알게 됐어 나처럼 빛을 기다리는 많은 것들이 늘 함께였다는 걸 안아주고 싶어 어둠에 지친 모든 걸 내가 알아주고 싶어 누구나 가진 내일을 이렇게 가끔은 멈춰가도 돼 쉬어도 돼 마음에 비가 내려도 When this rain stops 그냥 다시 웃으면 돼 한 걸음 느려진 후에야 볼 수 있었던 많은 것들 가려진 그곳 그 안에 나만을 기다려준 많은 목소리들 너의 모든 게 빛나고 있어 한 번 더 내게 말해주면 정말 다시 그렇게 될 것만 같아 안아주고 싶어 어둠에 지쳤던 나를 이제 알려주고 싶어 내가 가진 모든 것을 이렇게 가끔은 멈춰간 때도 쉬어가도 내 안에 내가 있다면 When this rain stops 그냥 다시 숨 쉬면 돼 잠시 멀어진 거리만큼 내가 다시 뛰어가면 돼 이제 나 다시 한번 날 들려주기 위해 Breathe again oh no 널 알아주고 싶어 누구나 가진 내일을 이렇게 가끔은 멈춰가도 돼 쉬어도 돼 마음에 비가 내려도 When this rain stops 그때 다시 웃으면 돼
That was like the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. Wow. That was gorgeous. I hope you guys weren't expecting, like, I don't know. I guess, I don't know. I'm not like, I don't know. I didn't really have much of a reaction. Maybe in the face. Because I was just too stunned by what was happening. I was just zoning. And I guess that was my reaction. Like, it was so beautiful. Between the piano and just her vocals, and the lyrics were really, really, really pretty. And it just all just worked so well together. I just didn't have anything to say. Honestly, I was just sitting there in awe. And I just wanted to listen. I just wanted to listen to it, and I just wanted to hear the whole thing and not say anything, because I just felt like that was gonna ruin the moment. And then near the end, like when she was hitting like the higher notes, like I couldn't do anything but smile because it was just like my ears, I don't know, I was just kind of like almost kind of feeling it enter my body. I can't explain it, but it was just really really nice. It was really nice. She has an incredible voice, seriously. Yeah. Yeah. I'm stunned. I'm still stunned. I was gonna replay it again, but I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, man, that last one was something. Really something. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Maybe hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.